We've been with the project right from sort of initial planning and conception. We knew that the existing glasshouse needed a high-end sort of packaging facility and processing facility for both tomatoes and cucumber crop. And then we followed it right through. We did the designs, helped with building control and full planning submission. And then we also project managed it on site, and we're the main contractors, so we held full responsibility for the works on site and the construction phase. We fabricated steel in-house. We've got our own fabrication division, full designs, all turnkey. Did all the HVAC and ventilation and everything in-house as well. So really we provided that full sort of process every step of the way. We managed it, and we as a company and a business delivered it. So the packhouse is it's one of the most sort of automated large-scale packhouses in the country, I believe, and the crop is hand-picked as is sort of traditional practice. It's placed into crates, which are then automatically taken from the glasshouse itself through into the packhouse. They're offloaded, fully automated system for offloading. They're automatically graded, and then there's also a cold store facility within the packhouse where the cucumbers can be held, and then they are quality checked, inspected, packaged and ready for shipment to a range of supermarkets.
Well, we were looking for a company that was having an understanding about the greenhouse industry in general. So it was important to find a company that was understanding, the importance of dealing with products coming from the greenhouse. We also wanted to use some of the building style experiences that we also have as Dutch growers, because the majority of the shareholders in this project are Dutch, and many of them have their own greenhouses in Holland with similar pack houses. So we wanted to kind of use that same kind of pack house technology as well in there, and Cambridge HOK was able to offer all that to us. We have all this temperature controlled to begin with, so which is very important, product coming from a greenhouse where on warm days it can be 30, 35, or maybe even warmer than that. So that's very important to be able to do that. So, the whole pack house is divided into various areas according to the various products, that come in. Tomatoes require another storage temperature than cucumbers do. If you want to store cucumbers a bit longer, you even have to have them, colder, in a more cold environment. So that definitely is one thing. And the other thing is, of course, is the level of automation you have in here in general, because that has to do with the cost, the pure cost of your pack product, basically. The fact that we can control the temperature within the pack house is very important, because then your shelf life definitely gets longer by being able to control the temperatures. So that really is probably one of the most important things for us to look at. Other than, of course, a constant quality check, QA and QC system throughout the entire process, where we have people dedicated just only to look at the product quality and compare that with the requirements from the various supermarkets. I must say, overall, it was a very positive, a very pleasant ride and project to be able to do together with Cambridge HOK. Absolutely, yes.
This is one of the largest packhouse facilities in the UK, and it really it's been a pleasure to be involved in. And it just demonstrates Cambridge's specialisms, really, that people can come to us with a list of requirements and a list of needs, and we can take that and really run with it and deliver what is a top class facility.